Hi guys, today we're gonna play with this sparkle head. It's exclusive and Toys R Us. You cannot buy this in other stores.
What's its name?
Rainbow sparkles.
Rainbow sparkles, and it has like an extra here. This is like an applicator, and then there's like clips and gems,
Makeup.
lips. What's that? Color changer for the lips.
And there's a hair comb. There's sticker nails. And there's like a drop hair sequence.
Can you show me the back?
Ta-da! There's a little girl playing it. Guys, now we open the box. There's so much packaging, and there's like tie things into the hair. The one has tape. It also comes with this. You can even put clips on your hair. Now guys, this is what's included in the box. You can even get these big, you can get this out. And then, ta-da! There's two of these. I'm just gonna get this part at the top. I'm coloring the hair. Wow. Okay, now we have to put this into the cold water so it can magic up here. Why we do warm water? Okay, now let's. Wow, it's turning pink. Now, guys, I'm gonna show you how this works. I'm gonna use orange, okay? This here. Grab it.
Can you show me?
Ta-da! And then now you
want
can
to put some jewels?
Yeah, I'm gonna use purple. Maybe pink. My favorite. No, purple. I'm gonna match it. Ta-da!
Can you show me how it looks?
Ta-da! Now I'm gonna snap it into her hair. Ooh, I think I'm gonna do it this way. And then snap. Okay. Oh, and then snap. There. She has lovely green hair on the other side. Here and then snap. Ta-da! Now she has two rainbow hair.
Just to hold the hair, and then
you can move the palms or the arms.
Hi, I need the manicure. Can you color my nails?
Okay.
So we have these nails right here, like the fake nails, and actually it comes with sticker at the back of one of the labels. It's for this nails right here. You take one of the stickers off. and then peel the paper back.
And then
And if you can see, there's actually like the sticker. Okay, so this is the front part where you can see the Barbie head, and apply it at the back part of the nail to put the stickers. Okay, so while Chloe is combing her hair, I'm gonna do her nails. We have used the fake nails, and we just need to put in the stickers.
Okay.
Do you have the stickers?
Yeah. And then the Barbie sign.
My nails looks lovely. I have a star on my pinky. Hearts.
Oh, I love hearts. And I love rainbows and stars.
And look at these hearts on my ring finger.
Oh, cool, gems.
And I have a rainbow, a star, and my name, Barbie, on my thumb.
You can even try this on your hair. I'm going to show you guys. This is the first one that we're going to do. The first one. Okay? This is how we did it. This is how we did the second one. This is how we did the third one. Hope you like my video. Click on subscribe, watch my other videos, and click on the subscribe button.